look at the camaraderie. Both the former Mahindra riders now racing for Ducati, for VR46 and Prima Pramac, sharing the embrace, sharing the warmth. But there is a connection, an Indian connection to the story. The Indian GP is finally over and done with. Delhi, if you enjoyed it, give me a hand, yeah!
Feeling for this is great. Congratulations.
Whether you're red, doesn't matter. If you're a Delhi Motogp fan, come on, if you clap your hands, raise your hands, raise your hands. Thank you, Fabio. Thank you, Fabio.
Clearly, India loves Fabio Quartararo. But Delhi, I want you to chant together for our race winner. Let's all sing together. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole, ole.
Marco, Marco, ole, 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 Marco, Marco,
Delhi, dimudahkan Marco, Pecco. And not Marquez as well. Let's talk about him in a little while. I know our heart, I know our mind is always about Marquez.
Joan Mir
is what I to watch for. I feel so good. This is the most heartwarming story of the.
And now, for the second place, I would like to call Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas of India. And now, to give the trophy to our winner, please give it up for Shri Yogi Adityanath ji, CM of Uttar Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, please make a lot of noise for all our winners. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up for the national anthem of Italy.